Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to stop sharing messages between iPhone, iPad, or Mac. So first of all, open up your browser. And as you can see right here, if you want to unlink your iPhone and iPad text message, just go ahead, disable the iMessage on your iPad without having to remove your Apple ID from the iPad. Tab messages, and it's in a green icon with the white speech bubble. Tab the iMessage and switch to disable messages. I'm going to demonstrate how it's done. If you want to disable it on your iPhone, you're going to just go ahead to your iPhone to iMessage basically, and you're going to be able to disable the iMessages right here, right? And you're going to be able to disable it, and you're going to be able to turn it off. And if you want to do it on Mac or iPad, the same thing. Go ahead to the settings and then go ahead to the iMessage, and you're going to be able to disable it from there. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and don't forget to update your iPhone to the latest version, and don't forget to follow us on social media. See you in the next one.